So talk about Smucker for just a second here, because this, if I were to say there's one item in Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s crosshairs, I'd be hard-pressed to come up. Maybe that one has shown me that one there.
Yeah, okay.
That's
well,
different.
let's go to
Kelly's holding up an Uncrustable, which is the peanut butter and jelly sandwich snack prepackaged.
No, I'm not holding it up. I gave it to you for a snack because I defrosted it.
It's not terrible, but it's not great.
No, we don't disagree. On the other side is peanut butter and jelly with a piece of, and you can buy. I bought these at Costco for $14.88. Okay, and that's a lot of money.
I know. Well,
but it's
if you're a busy parent who needs to fill a lot of school lunches, this has filled a void for you. If you're an investor in these stocks, though, a lot of these names they're driving you crazy. You've got Maha, you've got the GLP drugs, you've got a lot of trends working against you.
I agreed. This company made an acquisition about 2 years ago of this company called Hostess at the time
and
in
they
which
just wrote it down.
So the stock was down $16, which got my extra attention. There's 106 million shares. The stock's 94. Folger and this product is $10 billion, growing substantially because it offers a peanut butter and jelly, which they are known for. But they also have a coffee business called Folgers. Fast forward, for the current year that starts next, and it will be earnings of $8.50, which they announced, which is way below the street's estimate.
Stock got destroyed.
Yes, that's fine. That's great. And then what happens? I'd rather buy them lower than higher. So in that context, what is it going to do in 2 years? If they can price their coffee differently, which they will, and Uncrustables continues to grow, and their debt has reduced a little bit with the cash allowed for the dividend, you're going to talk about $12 in earnings. And so by then, the mistake they made and timing of this, they paid $5.5 billion. This business has come down, and the cash flow barely covers the interest expense. So that was the mistake. But, Ted Williams.
The baseball player.
The baseball player. Batted .400.
Only player to ever do it for the entire season.
And that means he made out 3 out of 5 times. So this company's made a lot of very good hits, and this one has one of those strikeouts.
Hostess.
Yes. And the timing was not good, and the price was high. But on balance, take a look at what's there going forward, as opposed to looking through the rearview mirror. And the price is allowing you to do quite well over the next.
So their tagline for Smuckers, I don't know if anybody remembers this, but me, with a name like Smuckers, it has to be good. That was their jingle, and maybe it still is. I have no idea. The stock has not been good, but you want that. It sounds like you are a long-term fan.
Yes, 2 years
and buyer of JM Smucker.
SJM is the symbol.
Ohio-based coffee and peanut butter and jelly purveyor.
Not complicated.